Guys, this is the finished result of this makeup look. So on my website, I'm promoting myself as a photo model on akinopatience.com/photo model. You'll find my beautiful pictures. I also recently added some great brands and shops where you can shop for beautiful outfits. So if you need beautiful makeup dresses, you can find the listings I did. Also enlisted some top hospitals and some top automobile companies such as Porsche, Bugatti, Ferrari, Toyota, Hyundai. I enlisted some top makeup artists such as Jeffree Star, Nikki's Tutorial, Misha Fan. I enlisted some top restaurants such as Sushi Family, Castro Cafe Santiago. I enlisted some other eateries such as Starbucks, Red the Manga, so you guys can check them out and patronize this brand. I also enlisted some cool hotels such as Hilton Hotel, Fletcher's Hotel, Art Hotel Rotterdam, Hilton Hotel, Berma Arena, Easy Hotel Rotterdam, Ibis Hotel Amsterdam. I added some other hotels such as Ozo Hotel Amsterdam, Hotel Level Amsterdam, Bruno Hotel Rotterdam, so many listings. Also hotels abroad such as the Mark Hotel in New York City, the New Yorker, Hyatt Hotel, New York, and more. Do check out my page akinopatience.com/photomodel for more info. You'll find the links below this video. Kindly hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. On this channel, Akinopatience, I create beauty, fashion, makeup tutorial. I also enjoy creating chit chat videos, so do like, subscribe to my channel. I'll be happy to have you as a member of my family. Good morning, arise and shine. I am filming in this beautiful room, so today I'm going to do a wake up with me video. Guys, I am an artist. I love creating sketches, so this is a beautiful dress. So I'm going to create the hands and the eyes, so it's gonna look beautiful afterwards. So if you need me to create lovely sketches for you, you can contact me. I enjoy creating beautiful sketches, and most of you love my work. Do go on Instagram, Akinopatience, to find my work. I also paint on canvases. Guys, while I apply my makeup, I'm going to offer basic English and Dutch lessons. So this basic English and Dutch lesson is suitable for international students. So if you're a British person and you are studying in Amsterdam at Vrije University Amsterdam, University of Amsterdam, or at Hogeschool Rotterdam, or you are studying at Hogeschool Zeeland and you are working for some Dutch companies or supermarkets such as Albert Heijn, or you're working for Jumbo Supermarket, Audi, Lidl, or if you work at any shops, you know, you have Cravat, you have Ethos, you have Easy Paris, Labors, depending where you're working, you might want to speak Dutch. So I'm going to offer you basic English and Dutch lessons, so enjoy. Hello, hello, hello. How are you is who is it. How are you, who is it. Alles goed, is everything okay. Alles goed. If you want to say yes, you say ja. Alles goed? Ja. Het gaat goed. Ja, yes, it's okay. I'm okay. Or het gaat goed met mij. I'm good. Hi guys, I'm going to continue with the basic English language and Dutch lessons. So if you want to say good morning, you say goedemorgen. If you want to say good afternoon, you say goedemiddag. If you want to say did you sleep well, heb je lekker geslapen. If you want to say I'm happy, thank you, ik ben blij. If you want to say goodbye, you say dag, goodbye, dag. If you want to say I am a photo model in Dutch language, you say ik ben een fotomodel. I am, ik is I, ben, am, am, I am, ik ben a photo model. Hi guys, this is my current favorite hair relaxer. So it's called TCP. You can buy this from any hair shop. You can buy this from Sammy Hair Amsterdam or from Yari Cosmetic Rotterdam South Line. So, or you can shop online from a gorgeous. You can find all this information on my website blacknoir.me. So this is what you need to help your hair look good and look more relaxed. Hi guys, welcome back. How are you? Welcome. Ik ga vandaag een beetje chit-chat doen terwijl ik mijn make-up doe. Dus ik ga een beetje de Body Shop concealer gebruiken voor mijn ogen. So I'm going to speak Dutch and the English language in between. So I like to use this Body Shop to conceal my eyes. I really like it, so it will reduce the dark circles underneath my eyes. I woke up quite earlier today, so I'm looking a little bit tired. So I look a little bit tired. So afterwards, I like to use my Black Opal foundation powder. Sometimes I use the foam it comes with. Sometimes I use this, okay? So I like to improvise. So this I washed today so I can use it. But if I've not washed it like 2-3 days, I'll just use the other one. Afterwards, I like to wear my Huda Beauty powder. Just apply a little bit quantity underneath my eyes. That will make my eyes look a little bit more awake. So I still have my Huda Beauty. Thank God, this Huda Beauty powder is so precious. I bought it about 40 euros, but it's a good powder. And I have my MAC Cosmetics, so this is about 20 euros, 25. So I'm going to apply both and apply pencil on my eyes. Okay, that will make my face look more awake and sexier. Apply my brown pencil. I like to apply this brown pencil on my brows. So it's really good for dark skin. I'll just apply a couple of these. I'll apply it to my other eyebrow. Afterwards, I like to use the Body Shop concealer to make sure my brow looks more neat. And before I start applying eyeshadow, so yeah, that's just it's going to be like 5-10 minutes makeup. If you are running, if you want to go to job, your work, just assume you work for Adidas shop or Nike, Puma shop, you know, you work for Active Sports Rotterdam, and you want to go to your work, yeah, you're a little bit running late, you can just wear this makeup look. So now I'm applying the nude shade eyeshadow from Morphe on my eyes. Morphe Cosmetics is a good brand. On my website ekenepatience.com/photomodel, I'm promoting some great makeup brands and makeup artists. So Jacqueline Hughes is a good makeup artist. She's great. Jeffree Star is also very good makeup. You know, Jeffree Star also has his own makeup brand. Nikki's tutorial. She's very famous, and everybody in the Netherlands, they love Nikki's tutorial videos. So she creates amazing makeup. So now I'm going to add like this gray kind of color. It's a light shade. Just apply it. Looks good. Apply it on my other eyes. So I'm using this Kiko Milano brush. This is also a good brush for eyeshadow brush. Guys, I applied a little bit of nude lipstick. I'm going to apply this pink lipstick from Kiko Milano and a little bit of lip gloss. So that'll be virtually the finished result of this makeup look. Guys, I've applied eyeshadow on my eyes. I'm going to apply a little bit of lip line on my lips. It's kind of reddish. Sometimes I apply brown, but today I'm applying this one that is a little bit reddish. So I applied a little bit of color on my hair, and I tend to maintain it with this concealer or LV to give you some hair shine. I just add a little quantity. So this is how it looks like. So I just dab it on my hair, and I really like how my natural hair looks and how it fits me. On my channel akinepatience.com, I talk about beauty, fashion, lifestyle related topic. So I tend to enlist brands on the top pages of my website akinepatience.com, so that whenever you people are viewing me via Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, you'll be able to know my favorite brands and where I like to buy cosmetic, where I like to buy my lipstick from. You guys will be well informed. So this is kind of a beauty IT, life of a beauty IT consultant video. So my favorite shops for buying lipsticks are Isipari, Rituals. I like the lipsticks of the Body Shop very much as well, especially the lip gloss. Today I'm wearing a very pretty designer dress. So I enjoy wearing dresses on this channel, so if you like to see me wear a dress, you should